So, picture this. I am a year or so out of college, working at a web design agency in Chicago. There's about 8 of us in the company at the time, and we all work in one large room. And it happened to also be a church at one point, but that is another story for another time. And thankfully, let's just say, thankfully, I didn't combust walking in there every morning. Anyways, I must have emailed one of the founders a whole set of deliverables in a row one afternoon, and because a few minutes later, all of a sudden, I hear him exclaim from the pod of desks that were immediately behind me, "Jeebus, Morty, you're a workhorse!" He let out this like exuberant chuckle of like approval, and being a graphic designer at the time, a junior graphic designer to be specific, production work is usually part and parcel of the whole gig, right? Like that's kind of your job when you're first starting out. And this was, again, right after college. So, but I was fast and I knew it and I loved it. It was something that I just got a real big thrill out of, being, just being quick and being faster than others. You get more done in the same amount of time. So I just really just loved figuring out ways of turning projects like retouching photos, creating banner ads, applying website designs to specific wireframes and specific pages. I really just loved turning all of that into a process that I could replicate over and over and over again, as if I was almost on autopilot. Actually, maybe cruise control is a better way to describe it, because there is a bit of an art and a science to design. So today, though, even though I still, do love my website redesigns, production in the graphic design sense isn't really a part of my day-to-day tasks anymore. What I do love to do still, though, is to automate as much as I possibly can, as far as business building goes. So how can we do things better without having to have the hustle involved, the hustle culture, as it were. So join me December 15th for an interactive workshop on how to grow your business without all of that hustle. I will be showing you the 5 keys to business growth. I am looking forward to seeing you there. Bring a notebook or rev up Evernote or Notion or whatever tool it is that you like to take your notes in, because this will not be your everyday boring snooze fest of an online event. So I don't do that. I don't do boring. So join me. Looking forward to seeing you. Sign up with the link that's somewhere near here. See you soon.